Welcome back to our channel, Business by World. Do subscribe our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, starting a YouTube automation business channel. We'll guide you through the steps to get started and discuss the potential earnings. Let's jump right in. Why start a YouTube automation business channel? Host. Before we get into the steps, let's understand why starting a YouTube automation business channel is a fantastic opportunity. YouTube has over 2 billion monthly active users, making it a massive platform to reach a global audience. Automating your YouTube business can create passive income streams, allowing you to work on your terms. Step 1. Niche selection. The first step is to select a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and target audience. Research popular niches and identify gaps in the market. This will help you stand out and attract a dedicated following. Step 2. Content strategy. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create a content strategy. Develop a consistent schedule for uploading videos and brainstorm engaging topics that resonate with your target audience. Your content should be informative, entertaining, and valuable to keep viewers coming back for more. Step 3. Channel optimization. To maximize the visibility and reach of your channel, it's crucial to optimize it. Optimize your channel name, description, tags, and thumbnails with relevant keywords. This will help your videos appear in search results and attract more viewers. Step 4. Video production and editing. Quality content is key to the success of your YouTube automation business channel. Invest in good equipment such as a camera, microphone, and lighting setup to enhance video production. Additionally, learn basic video editing skills or consider outsourcing editing to ensure a polished final product. Step 5. Automation tools. Automation tools are the backbone of your YouTube automation business. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to optimize video tags, schedule uploads, track analytics, and manage comments. These tools will save you time and help streamline your workflow. Step 6. Monetization. Now let's talk about earning potential. Once you've met YouTube's eligibility criteria, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsored content, merchandise, and brand collaborations. The more views and subscribers you have, the higher your earning potential. Step 7. Promotion and marketing. To grow your YouTube automation business channel, focus on promotion and marketing. Share your videos on social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche, and engage with your audience through comments and community tab posts. Consistent promotion will attract more viewers and subscribers. Step 8. Analytics and optimization. Regularly analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Identify trends, track subscriber growth, and monitor watch time. Use this data to optimize your content, make informed decisions, and adapt your strategy to the changing needs of your audience. Conclusion. Congratulations! You now have the tools to start your own YouTube automation business channel. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with dedication, consistency, and a passion for your niche, you can build a profitable business. So, what are you waiting for? Get started and turn your passion into a thriving YouTube automation business. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you next time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others interested in starting a YouTube automation business channel. Until next time, take care and keep creating.